Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to export a video in the latest version of Filmora 2025. If this helps out, please consider subscribing to the channel. Alright, so once your editing is done and you are happy with your video, the next step is exporting it. Now, look at the top center or top right corner and you will see a big export button. Click on it. And now you will see a pop-up window. Here you will find a few tabs like local, device, social media, DVD. Normally choose local and under the local tab choose your preferred video format. Usually it's gonna be MP4. It's a great choice for general use. And next we have to give it a name. So normally give it a name here. I'm just giving it a name. And now you will get another option here, quality. You can choose your video quality. If you want a higher quality with a higher size of the video, then you can choose higher. Or if you want to keep it as medium, you can choose this option. Or if you want your video quality as low, then you can choose this one. I'm just recommending you to keep it higher if your PC is good enough to export it. And there is another option, resolution. You can set your resolution from here. I'm suggesting you to choose this resolution. This is pretty good for YouTube and other video platforms. And you can also choose frame rate from here. I'm keeping it as 60. And finally, if it supports, you can check this box and click on this export button to export the video. And now Filmora will start processing your video. You will see a progress bar, and once it's done, you can play or open the exported file right away. And that's it. Super simple and quick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.